we got here is a 2018 Roll King Special, all blacked out. We're going to be adding 14-inch bars. The bars that the customer provided are pre-run wires. We still got to run the throttle by wire, fly by wire. We still got to run that wire through the bars, so still got a little bit of work in our hands. Nice bike, very clean, basically a brand new bike. And here she is, 2018 Roll King Special, 14-inch bars, levers, everything's all blacked out like that. Roll King Special, 14-inch. These are OEM, still OEM lines for hydraulic and ABS lines. So now you know, 14-inch bars, you don't need to change those, but you still need that wiring kit. Once again, these bars were pre-wired, but they do not have the wire for the throttle by wire, so you still have to remove the right hand side and reinstall it, basically rerun it with the throttle by wire. So kind of defeats the purpose of that, but it looks good. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll be posting out more videos soon. Ride safe.